Hey, welcome all. This is just a quick video to show you how you can actually attach elastic file system volumes to Lambda functions, which is a recent feature. I was actually inspired by Danilo's blog post and Pahud's tweet about it, so I really want to just go through this. A couple of things I have here. You can see here that I have a CDK application. It's written in TypeScript. If I just vim this and open up my lib file and the TS file, you can see that I do a bunch of things here. All this code I will actually put somewhere on GitHub, I guess. But we do a few things here. We create a VPC. We create a file system. We create a file system access point. So this access point will actually be used to access the file system. Well, as the name says. Then we just do a simple Lambda function. The important thing on the Lambda function is this file system on line 40, where we actually say, hey, do this file, create a file system on a Lambda function from an EFS access point, and mount it to MNT MSG, right? The code in itself is just the demo code that Danilo used in his blog post. I'll show that as well. Then I just create an API gateway integration with this Lambda function, and that's it. Nothing special. It's super simple API gateway integration with this Lambda function, and this last line just prints out the API endpoint URL. So if I save this, and now actually let me show you the Python file here. So this is the Python file. Again, nothing special, is basically just adding and getting you messages from the file system. So yeah, pretty simple. Now let's run npm run build. Let's build this thing. Hopefully this works. I have tested it out, so I hopefully have come prepared. By the way, I'm trying out new recording thing here with FFmpeg. And hopefully this doesn't A, fill up my disk drive, B, burn my CPU up. Okay, cool. This is fine. CDK deploy. This will deploy the CDK application, or I can just zoom this in. This will actually deploy the application with all the things, such as a VPC and all the stuff. Click yes. Now, I'm actually gonna kind of wait for this to kind of kick off, and I'm just gonna fast forward through this so you don't have to wait here a bunch of time. See you in a second. Imagine if you were waiting all this time. Maybe I could have just talked about something. Maybe. You never know. And we are done. Okay, so we have an URL here. Let's actually try to do something with this one. So if I just copy paste this, and let me zoom in on this one so I have a bit more room to play with. Let's set URL to this. So I have actually, if I do echo URL, well, we'll see that URL. So if I curl URL and then default and then message wall, which is basically where the messages will go. If I curl this, I should get no messages yet. Excellent. So now I actually have to do one command. If I do curl-x, here's the command. So running curl-x, I'm posting something. The content type is text plain, and the payload is basically Zdravo svete or hello world in Serbian. But let's actually do something like Zdravo YouTube, right, or something. Okay, cool. And if I do URL default message wall, wabam. Okay, excellent. That seems to work fine. If I do more, message number two, right, like that. Excellent. You see, I have both messages right now. And if I go, well, let's see, third times the charm, right? Excellent. And if I would do again curl URL default message wall, wabam, I should get, come on, hopefully. There you go. Says Zdravo YouTube, message number 2, third time's the charm. So I get all of these things right now. So let's have a look. Let's quickly have a look at how this actually, what did we create on the actual web console itself. So what I'll do is I'll open up this and do like that, go Brave, then do console. If I just, I think console.aws.amazon.com. If I just, I don't want to go to IAM, I just do this. And looking at CloudFormation, let's have a look first at CloudFormation to see what has actually been created. CloudFormation, like so. We see CDK Lambda EFS stack. Here we see a bunch of things that were created. So we have, of course, all the VPC things we need. The API gateways here. The EC2 security groups and all this stuff. EFS access points, Lambda functions. And if we look at the Lambda function itself, again, super simple Lambda function that just basically reads something off a disk and writes to a disk itself. The only thing that it actually has the file system here connected to this access point. So there you go. I'm gonna be linking both the blog, well, not both, the blog post and the tweet from Pahud, so the blog post from Danilo and the tweet from Pahud, and I'm also gonna be linking my code here, the Git repository, actually somewhere in the bottom. So cool. Yeah, thank you very much for this quick video. See you soon. Bye bye.